Okay, it is time for some fish and shrimp tacos. On my skillet, I'm heating up some avocado oil. And I seasoned up a piece of mahi fish and a couple of shrimp here. So I'm just gonna lay these down. I did like a basic taco seasoning, so I did salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some cumin, and some chili powder. So we're gonna cook those up until they're done. And then I have my homemade gluten-free taco shells that I made. The recipe's in another video that I posted, so you can check that out. And I also made some homemade coleslaw with purple cabbage. And I also made some homemade tartar sauce that I'm going to add to my tacos. So once this is done, I will come back. We'll cut everything up and plate everything. It's super simple. So stay tuned. All right, so we are done here. We have our shrimp, and I cut up our mahi so we have chunks of it in our shells. So I'm going to try to get some bigger shells here. Yeah, we'll just use these 3. So let's make our little shells. We're going to do 2 fish and we're going to do 1 shrimp. So let's grab our shrimp. I cut the fish so that way it cooks faster. Okay, so you're going to want to throw all your shrimp in 1 taco. You can do 2 separate tacos if you don't like it like super meaty or whatever. Okay, and now we'll take some mahi and put it here. And then we're going to take some and put it on the other side. Uh-oh, I just dropped a piece. I dropped a piece in the stove. Oh my God. Okay, so that is that. Now, we have lettuce, tomato, cilantro. We have a little bit of lime. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of my coleslaw. I made it with red cabbage, sliced carrots, minced onions, some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of sugar, salt, pepper. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of that for a good crunch. I am also going to throw in a little bit of tartar sauce. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of tartar sauce in each one. I'm telling you, it's super yummy. It looks a little sloppy, but it's delicious. Some tomatoes. Tomatoes. Some little, these are my little cherry tomatoes. All right. Might as well, let's throw some lettuce in there too. A little bit of lettuce. A little bit of lettuce. Okay. And then we're going to top it off with some cilantro. This just gives it that like very herbaceous, delicious flavor. And there you have it. They're done. Little extra. Let's put some sriracha on each one for a little bit of heat. Okay. Squirt your little lime juice. And you're done. There you have it. Fish tacos, shrimp tacos, delicious. Try it. Let me know what you think.